Welcome back. Let's solve this particular one. Now, if you notice, this particular one is quite different from the ones you have been solving, right? Look at it. We have bracket open 0.2. They're all in decimal numbers, right? So meaning that before we start with the calculation, we must convert everything from decimal number to fraction. Okay. So now look at it. Here we have 0.2, right? 0.2. So if you want to convert decimal number to fraction, so for you to convert from decimal number to a fraction, what you need to do, here we have 0.2, right? Just write the 2 here, then divided by what number is remaining? Only 0, right? So you put 1, then 0. Please take note. I get me. So just put the 0, then add 1 to it. I get me. So if you press your calculator, 2 divided by 10, it will still give you 0.2. Now we have raised to power 3, right? So we have raised to power 3, right? So meaning that this 3 is affecting both the two numbers. I get me. So it will now be 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3. Are you getting the explanation? So 2 raised to power 3 means what? 2 times 2 times 2 into 3 times. So it will give us what? 8. Then 10 raised to power 3 means what? 10 times 10 times 10 into 3 times, right? So 10 times 10 times 10 will give us what? 1000. So if you press your calculator, 8 divided by 1000 will give us 0.008. Are you getting it? The same way, if you press your calculator, 0.2 times 0.2 times 0.2, it will still give you that particular answer. I get me. So what we have here is what? Multiply by 8. So meaning we successfully this is converted from decimal point to what? This is a fraction. I get me. So this is what? A proper fraction, right? So this is how to convert. Then we have what? Divided by. Let's do the same. I get me. First, just write your 4 all over what? 10, right? Because we are left with only 0, so you add 1. So if you press your calculator, 4 divided by 10 will still give you 0.4. Now we have square on top, right? Raised to power 2, so it's affecting both the up one and the second one. Okay, so 4 square means what? 4 times 4, which is what? 16, right? Then this is 10 times 10 is what? Is 100, right? So to give us what? 16 all over 100. So we have 16 all over 100. Now look at this arrangement. Are you satisfied with this arrangement? The arrangement is so like it's very zigzag, right? The arrangement is somehow zigzag. It's not that straight. So what are we going to do? Let's find a way to make the arrangement more beautiful. Okay, so here we have 8 all over 1000, right? 8 all over 1000, right? Multiply by this 8. Then you know that this sign is a sign of what? Division, right? So meaning we can write it in this form: divided by 16 all over 100. I get it? 16 all over 100. So it's the same thing. If you want to change it to this form, you put this long division sign, then you bring 16 all over 100 again. I get it. So we are just looking for you to arrange everything so we can continue with the solving. I get it. So I've explained all these things before. Now look at this middle. This one is division sign. So before we continue with the solving, we have to convert this division sign to multiplication. I get it. We have to convert this division sign to what? Multiplication. For you to convert from division sign to multiplication, just exchange these numbers by bringing the numerator downward, then moving the denominator upward, then this sign will change towards multiplication. So we have 8 all over 1000, right? 8 all over 1000 times what? Times 8, then times, we change them, it will now be 100 all over 16. So once you exchange them, it will now be what? Division sign to what? Multiplication. Okay, so now we can easily cancel, right? 0 0, that is two zeros. 0 0, are you getting it? So take note. So here we can cancel 8 here. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 16 divided by 8 is 2. Okay, I think we can still cancel. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4. So we are left with, look at it, 1 times 4 all over 10, right? 10 times what? 1. So equal to 1 times 4 is what? Is 4 all over 10 times 1 is what? Is 10. You can leave your answer in this fraction form, or you can change it to index form. So if you press your calculator, to give you 0.4